What do we got here?
I didn't realise the cone fidgets are so big.
Pull the plate off. Give us a look.
Lift it up. Strong, strong, strong. That's it. That's it.
So what'd you make, mate?
I got 2 snakes because we only have one. A freaky dinosaur
That's cool.
and 2 of these and a lava, and this meant to be in here, so
Yeah, they
it
fit
like
in.
twists. And this one is you put water in and you hold this, and after you let it go, the water comes out, off.
Yeah, right.
And I was there.
Yeah,
My
cool.
ink.
Like ink. Yeah, right. Let's break it apart and have a look.
We're not breaking it.
No.
No.
Pop it off the deck.
You just sound like you.
We can just do it, yeah.
Go for it. Give it a twist.
Oh, this one is already out.
Oh yeah, show us what it does.
Hang on. No, it's not. Oh, yeah,
There it is. Show us what it does.
I just need to.
Play with it a few times.
I just sometimes just push it down a little bit.
And the other way. Yeah. This needs a little cleaning up, see here?
Oh yeah.
That's about it. That's cool.
Yeah. So pushes down.
It's like a little fidget thing.
Done. Got this one off.
Yeah. It changes colour. So,
See,
the other one.
look. You put water in here. You hold it up here because there's a hole,
Yeah.
and after you let it go, ink will come out of it.
Yeah, right. Because look at that one. That one's cool.
Oh, it's got little holes.
It's got holes
Like
in
a
the bottom.
shower.
No, right?
He's cool. I know. There's that one. Squid Man.
He's cute.
And they're a bit difficult, them ones, aren't they? They need a bit of cleaning up. Nah, it'll need a bit of cleaning up. to get it in.
Yeah, try these things.
Yeah, a bit hairy. That's all right. Just look at one.
These 2.
No, just that one. That'll be
Just
fine.
one.
You can see
Look
it's
at
got
this
the
one
little
out,
hairs.
No, we'll have to clean it first.
You can just clean all these hairs off it,
And then we can.
and then it will slide in and out of each other. That's cool.
Look at the star.
You just put it under here. Look.
Yeah, and screw it in.
Ah, yeah. So that one goes on top.
And I just
Yeah.
need to push it a little bit.
And then once they loosen up, they will fall through
Yeah.
nice and easily. Yeah, bit of cleaning up. That's cool.
Remember where then these someone we met,
Yeah, they had one.
yeah, them have one, but it was stuck.
Yes,
This one actually works.
it does. Yeah. Look at that.
We
Wood
just need to
circuit.
push it in.
Oh, there you go. That's
Okay,
cool.
Done. Look, now it's flat. I sometimes push it off here.
Yep.
Done.
We'll clean this one up, but you got the star now.
Oh, the star's cool.
Yeah.
It's amazing how it can print it in one piece like that and be able to move, eh?
Yeah.
Then it's in.
So Blake chose all these pieces so he could make them and play with it. And
Yeah.
all right,
And
let's
then-
go look at the dinosaur. Well, the snake. The snakes are cool.
And can you hold these? I'm gonna try to get this one out.
Fold it the other way too. Yep, that's it. Coming.
Just stuck.
There it goes.
Done.
There you go.
Now we just,
You want?
There you go.
let's get the dinosaur out because it look easier.
Yep.
This one.
There he is.
Done.
How cool's the dinosaur?
He,
Hooks onto your fingers.
yeah.
Yeah, right.
Or you can do it off your laptop or
That's what I was just about
just
to say.
something like, yeah.
My fin.
Yeah.
That's cool. Because look,
You can move his tail too. We made it a strong tail.
a strong tail.
Yeah, there was different files.
Ah.
And that was the last one where it said a stronger tail.
Yeah, right. How cool is it?
No, no, you just have to use it with your hands.
Clean all the fluff off him. Got this out for pet.
Oh, Barry needed a pet.
Yeah, and how cool are the snakes? Yeah, what do you reckon?
Yeah.
Was that good, mate?
Mm-hmm.
What are you going to print next?
Don't know.
Nah?
Oh, a dragon. And I'm trying to remember, because we already put it on the plate, didn't we? We just haven't saved it yet.
Oh, okay.
It was like a dragon and something else. Oh, crocodiles.
Ah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because Zach really wanted a crocodile.
And it was one super tiny one.
Oh yeah, when we first put on and it was like this big, we're like, well, we'll see how.
oh, yeah, you can make them bigger.
Yeah, you can scale them.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. I know. So yeah, the 3D printer is in the truck.
Yeah.
But Blake was like, oh, I can make some stuff and I can sell it to the kids at the caravan park. So I needed to finish off some stuff for the cabinet. So now it's in there.
Look, now look. It moves.
Yeah, that's cool. It's like a fidget spinner, but some fidget thing. Righto.
Cool.
That's some of the stuff you can print off a 3D printer. It's pretty cool. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
He likes it. He chose them all and did it on the laptop and did it all. So
Yeah.
cool. That's cool, eh? And drop it in. There you go.
Ready?
What else you got? Oh yeah, that's cool.
Sometimes if I go like this and do it this way.
Oh yeah, falls in. Does it fall straight out then?
Wait a minute. I did it wrong.
Did it wrong. Okay.
I think it was this.
Oh, okay.
I think it was this way. Oh yeah, yes.
Oh, sick.
Spins.
It's a spinner, yeah.
But I can't do it with this one because it's
I wanted to go to a
What are these ones? What are these? What's these called?
skellies.
Skellies and a snake.
Yeah. Bony.
Bony.
group,
Group.
baby group.
Octopuses.
How cool is he? Yeah, octopuses. What are
I
these
call it
fidget things?
octopuses because them are puts. Because I'm scared. Because every time them
Snakes.
see something predator,
Oh,
Shark.
that's
Do,
brilliant.
do, do, do,
yeah,
do.
so I'm scared.
Yeah, with no tail. The tail isn't really well done and it keeps coming out easily.
Yeah, that's right.
So,
Yeah. I'll put it on my
fix that.
computer and I'll fix it.
Yeah.
I'll make it so it's thicker. You gonna stay?
Oh.
Yay, you got to stay. Alright, that's some of the stuff you've made it so far, eh? Yeah.
I would like to change colours after this print and do the next colour.
Breakdancing. Oh no. Alright, that's it. Any suggestions of what we should print? What do you reckon, mate? What do you reckon?
Good.
He's having fun.